Hey guys, it's Mr. Wahidul Haque here, back with another video. I'm going to be showing you how to change a cabin filter. If your AC smells of damp or anything, this is what you need to change. You need to change your cabin filter. This is a Bosch one, very powerful. You can get the paper one or the carbon one. Carbon one's a lot more better at filtering stuff and it lasts longer as well. And yeah, I bought one here. And I'll show you how to change it on a Mark 6. I think it's the same for Mark 7 as well, so let's go ahead and do this. I'll show you what it is, guys. Alright, so undo your glove box. Okay. Not sure how I'm going to show you that. I'm going to have to turn my flash on. Hold on, guys. Okay, there you go. Alright, you got these holes here. They're just holes. And then you have these two screws here. You need to twist them to the left. And then that will release this, and then you pull that off. Then you take out the old filter, put in the new one. I'll show you as best as I can. Okay, now I have a lot more space. The reason I got a plastic bag here because the filter is going to be very dirty. I don't know how old it is. It might have never changed in their life. This is a 10-year-old car almost. Yeah, it is 10-year-old then. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, now I'm underneath very nicely. Now you can see. Right, you got these two screws here. Want to twist them to the right or is it left? We'll find out. Whichever way it comes out, yeah, turn it to the right. Okay, see how it's coming out, guys. Okay, that's one screw. And you got another one here. Turn it to the right. It's just two screws that holds in. And then you got the fabric. Is that how you do it? Yeah. People think it's hard, isn't it? Alright, now you just want to grab the fabric, pull it down. You might think it's not coming off first, but you have to tug on it a bit. Easy as that, guys. There you go. Fabric's off now. Or is it dust? Okay, so this is the old filter in there. Alright, guys. Now you're going to get to this part here. You're going to clip the thing to the right. So it unhooks it. If I can get underneath and see it. Oh, mine will be to the left, I think. Yeah, there. You push it to the left. There's the old... Do you see that? Just the dirt off that was horrible. Fucking hell, guys, look at that. Can you see it? That's just off that. I've not even pulled the air filter out yet. As you can see, it's very dirty, probably not been changed.
The dust will go on. You just pull the air filter with your hand.
You just move the bag up a bit.
Look at it.
Yeah.
And then pull it out. Yeah, look.
Ooh, that's very damaged. Oh, look at that dirt. Oh my god, what the fuck is that? It's like leaves or something. Okay, there's the old air filter. As you can see, it's seen its better days. It's very fucked up.
So this is a new one, different.
And then this is the new filter. Look at the difference. This is the new Bosch filter. Okay, so this one's definitely needs to get... Someone needs to burn it with the... Hey, look at that, guys. What one's that? Airflow Manifest. What brand is it? It's just a random brand, I think. And that, you can tell the difference because this is very hard. That's paper. You can tell the difference within carbon. This one will definitely last a lot longer. And it's got the Bosch branding. Bosch is a very good company. To put this back in, it's the same as taking it out. Just push it in and then just close it up. I'll show you how to do that. It's hard to do this with one hand, so I'll try my best. I'm ready, sir. Okay, guys. Want to push it in like this. Can you see how easy it is going in? You want to put it in exactly the way it came out, so I put it in now. It's all the way in now. I put it in the wrong way first because I was an idiot. You just hold it like that and then you lock it in place with this. To lock it in place, you just slide it across it because it's got a locking mechanism. And then that'll be done. I'll show you guys in a second. Okay, guys, we've locked it in place now. Because mine's a right hand drive. Ours thing's on the left. If your right hand drive, you'll be on that side. Your thingy, so you pull it that way. Ours is a right hand drive, so we put it that way towards the right. So that's done now. Now you just have to put the trim back on and put the screws back on. Okay, the cover's back on now. Now you just need to screw on. You have to make sure when you put this back in, it goes in the corners first and the top. So it's flush, and same on this side. So it's flush in place. And then that's it. You just put the screws back on where they were. Somewhere around here. There's one screw. And then there's one other one. You turn it to the left this time because we turned it to the right. So that'll lock it in place and that's done. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Check out my other car videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.